Today, I want to talk to you about the Unionism theory of modernity. And this theory is written by Mr. Johnny. So, by starting with the introduction about Unionism theory of modernity. Unionism theory of modernity explains how human beings in the societies move from old ways of thinking to new and more advanced ways. And according to this theory, modernity is not only about technologies or buildings. It is mainly about transformation of human minds. And the meaning of modernity in Unionism, it means that in Unionism, modernity means the stage where human being begins to think freely. But he also questioned traditions that limit progress and also create new ideas and systems that improve life. So modernity therefore begins in the mind before it appears in the society. But there are stages of human development in theory of modernity. And these stages of development in Unionism theory of modernity, these are the following. The first stage of Unionism theory of modernity is about traditional stage. So when I'm talking about traditional stage, what I mean that people mainly follow traditions and beliefs without questioning them. It means the changes happen slowly. So it means there is no unease for them to ask. There is no any unease for them to questionize about the nation. There is no any unease for them to ask about the tradition. There is no any unease for them to ask about the beliefs. There is no any unease for them to ask about the naturality. There is no any unease for them to ask about the world is. And this is what we call the traditional stages. But when we're talking about the transitional stages, it means people begins to question tradition, search for knowledges, and explore the new ideas. It means in this stage, the people start to questionize and question about what is this happen to the society, about the knowledges, about what the beliefs is available in the society or within that society. And this make for them to ask. It means that can make for them to ask and questionize and questionize. But the last stage of modernity we call it modern stage. So when we are talking about modern stage, I mean that people think independent without depending to anyone who can ask for them, without depending that there is anyone who comes with an idea for them to answer and make the solution to them. But the people think independently, use the knowledge and the creativities in the building for progress. It means when I'm talking about the progress, I mean that this can be manufacturing development, can be economic development, can be agricultural development, or industrial development. So any development we are talking about the progress. It means the progress is about all development, no matter membrane to be, no matter situation is, but progress is about development. But there is a role of individual in modernity, I mean the theory of Unionism modernities. So means that this theory teaches that modernity begins with individual thinkers. It means one person with a new idea can change the society, and not only to change the society, can change the country. Not only to change the country, can change the nation. Not only to change the nation, but can change even the world. The countries, it means even across the continents through an idea of. And the great thinkers, scientists, philosophers, innovators often become the starting point of modern change. But there is the principle of creative progress. So the Unionism theory of modernity states that really modernity comes from creative progress, which we mean improving what already exists, building better futures. But according to this, there are also challenges in modernity. The first challenge of modernity, there are also loss of moral values. So through modernity, which we believe now people were in modernity stage, we are in modern stage, we need to know each and everything. We need to improve our manufacture, we need to improve our agriculture. But there are also challenges, which challenges human being, which challenges the country, which challenges the nation, which challenges the continent, which challenges the world at large. And the second one is about the misuse of technology. So through these modernities we have, but we must recognize as African that we Africa, we are not in producing what we consume, but we are producing what we do not consume, and we are consuming what we do not producing. So it means we need Africa, we as an African, to get a time, to get an opportunity to us to produce what we can consume at later, and not to produce what we do not consume at later, and to consume what we have produced before, and not to consume what we do not produce before. And this is an African problem, and if we continue to be this problem, it will not be a problem again, it will change to be an African disease. But also there is inequality in the society. So the matter of inequality in modernity must be guided by wisdom and response. People must be with wisdom, people must be with the responsibility on what they are conducted, on what they do, on what they want to do to the world, on what they want to change the world. And this is what we as African, we as a Tanzanian, we as a nation of, we are thinking about. We are realistic, and we must to recognize ourselves. But my conclusion is, according to Jainism theory of modernity, modernity is not only just about living in a new time, but it is about thinking in a new ways. A true modern person is someone who thinks independently, creates new idea, and works to improve the world for future generation. So it means that when you improve life for future generation, it means that even our readers, even our fellow readers, must have the wisdoms and the responsibilities to them, and